Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about multiple stacks, part of data structures using C++ course. Multiple stacks can be implemented in different ways. One common method is to use a single array to implement multiple stacks. The array is divided into multiple sections, each section representing a stack. For example, you can divide an array into three parts, each part representing a stack. When the first stack grows and fills up its portion of the array, the second stack begins to use the next portion of the array. The same goes for the third stack. In this way, the array becomes a data structure that supports multiple stacks. Another way to implement multiple stacks is to use multiple arrays, each array representing a stack. This approach can be easier to understand and maintain, but it can be less efficient in terms of memory utilization. Regardless of the approach, the basic operations of each stack, push, pop, and other methods remain the same. The main difference is that the implementation must keep track of the different stacks and their respective positions in the array of arrays. Here is an example of how multiple stacks can be implemented in C++ using a single array. In this example, the multi-stack class implements three stacks using a single 2D array. Stack data. The size of each stack is limited by the stack size. The sizes vector keeps track of the size of each stack. The basic stack operations, push, pop, peek, etc. are implemented as methods of multi-stack. The above example demonstrates how multiple stacks can be implemented using a single 2D array, stack data. The multi-stack class is defined with basic stack operations such as push, pop, peek, isFull, and isEmpty. The push method takes two arguments, stack number, which represents the stack to be modified, and value, which is the value to be pushed onto the stack. Before pushing the value, the method checks if the stack is full using the isFull method. If the stack is full, the method returns without making any changes. If the stack is not full, the value is pushed onto the stack by updating the size of the stack in the sizes vector and setting the corresponding element in the stack data array to value. The pop method takes stack number as an argument, which represents the stack to be modified. The method first checks if the stack is empty using the isEmpty method. If the stack is empty, the method returns -1, which represents an error value. If the stack is not empty, the method reduces the size of the stack stored in the sizes vector and returns the value stored in the corresponding element of the stack data array. The peek method is similar to pop method, but it does not modify the size of the stack stored in the sizes vector. If the stack is not empty, the method returns the value stored in the corresponding element of the stack data array. If the stack is empty, the method returns -1. The isFull and isEmpty methods take stack number as an argument and returns a boolean indicating whether the corresponding stack is full or empty respectively. In the main method, a multi-stack object is created and several values are pushed onto the stacks using the push method. The values are then popped from the stacks using the pop method and printed to the console. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.